Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to create map animations in Canva. Sometimes you might want to make your videos or presentations more interesting by adding a map animation. Canva makes it really simple to create one. Here's how you can do it step by step. First, go to the Canva website and make sure you're logged in. Here, click on Video from the main menu. Then choose Video Landscape to start with a wide format. Now, click on Elements from the left side panel. Then, select the map you want to like. Click on it to add it to your canvas. Then adjust its position by dragging it where you want it. You can also drag the corners to make the map larger and fit it properly on the screen. Next, right-click on the page in the timeline and select Duplicate Page. Now, in the Elements section, search for another map. For example, if you added a country map first, now choose a province or state map. Drag and drop it on the canvas and place it on the first map. After that, check both parts from the timeline to see how it looks. Now move your mouse cursor, select both maps, and use the corner handles to zoom in a bit. Then click on Animate from the top. You'll see different animation options on the left. For example, you can select Flicker. Use the slider to adjust the animation speed. You can also change the map's color to match your style. Now play it once to see how it looks. Then click on the three dots on the first clip and choose Add Transition. You'll see several options. Select Match and Move for a smooth effect between maps. Use the slider to set the transition duration. Play it again to check the flow. Next, right-click on the second part on the canvas and click Hide Element Timing. On the timeline, adjust the corners to set the duration of that section. Play again and see if the movement looks smooth. You can also expand the second part on the timeline if you want to make it longer. Now, click on Text from the left panel. Choose Add a Heading and type the name of the province or state you selected. Then, place the text nicely over the map. Change its color to make it stand out. Then click on Animate again and pick an animation for the text. Adjust the animation speed to your liking. Finally, match the text duration with your second part on the timeline so it appears at the right moment. Play everything from the start and check how your map animation looks. Once you're happy with it, your animated map in Canva is ready to go, perfect for travel videos, presentations, or educational clips. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.